Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donut vada at home. Start by soaking your urad dal, the main ingredient for delicious donut vada. It's best to soak it for at least 4 hours or even overnight to ensure it softens perfectly. Use 1 cup of dal, making sure it's completely covered with water. This crucial first step prepares the lentils for grinding, giving your vada the right texture. Next, drain the soaked dal and grind it into a smooth, thick batter. Add a few green chilies, a small piece of ginger, and some fresh curry leaves for aromatic flavor. Don't forget to season with salt and a pinch of asafoetida. Mix everything well to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the batter. Now comes the fun part, shaping your donut vada. Wet your hands slightly to prevent the batter from sticking. Take a small portion of the batter and roll it into a smooth ball. Then, gently press your thumb through the center to create the characteristic donut hole. This shape helps them cook evenly and gives them their classic look. Finally, it's time to fry your delicious vada. Heat oil in a deep pan to a medium-hot temperature. Carefully slide the shaped vada into the hot oil, frying them in batches until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. Serve your hot donut vada immediately with your favorite coconut chutney or a warm bowl of sambar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.